weeks before our trip we had some misfortune, and this is what happened. Leaving Tutebe Lodge on another adventure. We will stay at Camelthorn next to the Boteti River, and from there we will pass on to Nxai Pan for 2 nights, and then up to Mogoto, where we will stay for 4 nights, meeting up with my brother also there, and the people from Nxai. So yeah, enjoy it with us. Thank you. The open plains at Rakops, there used to be lots and lots of springbok, but the numbers went down over the years. I can't remember when last I see any on the banks next to Rakops. Redwood trees at Modikolo, just before Rakops, standing next to the tar road. There used to be lots of water going through here. Nowadays they rarely get water. They're almost dead. The one on the left seems dead. Where the Boteti River crosses the Rakops Mopiti Road, bone dry. The river came down, I can't remember, 2014, 15, round about there. Went down to Lake Drouw and full up Lake Drouw, but since then Lake Drouw haven't had water again for the last few years since then. The turn off to the Central Kalahari Game Reserve, but it's better to go straight, and yeah, here's the turn off, 45 kilometers, but it's better to go straight. I think it's around about 12 kilometers, and take the cut line that goes straight to the corner of the CKJR, and then turn left from the corner down. It's about 21 km. Because the road from Rakops straight to Luxury Gate is very bad, especially this time of the year. If you're coming from Rakops, just before the airstrip on the left hand side, the turn off to Camelthorn, turn right to the Boteti River side. From the tar road, 6 kilometers into Camelthorn. It is quite corrugated. As we drive into Camelthorn, we are arriving at the reception area. The reception is not far from the entry gate. The friendly staff quickly helped us to book in and sort us out with a campsite to stay for the night. Some bird calls. The receptionist helped us to show us the campsite that they booked us for the night. At Camelthorn there's also some tent accommodation at where you enter into Camelthorn, not far from the reception area. Nice accommodation if you don't have your own on-the-go caravan or tents or whatever, so you can quickly pop in and sleep over. Some nice lapa braai area that can accommodate a big group underneath the acacia trees. Well maintained, everything very nice at Camelthorn. Really a nice place. Some of the tent accommodation that's available there, just to show you. The people really do some effort to keep the place in really good condition. It is end of September and extremely hot. We really have a dry season the past year, and as you can see, the water is on its lowest. The people of Camelthorn have a nice deck lookout point. They are not inside the park, they are on the opposite bank with the viewpoint, and they also pumping from their side into the pools in the Boteti River inside the park, helping to maintain some little bit of water for the animals to drink and for the hippos. Also, you will see later on they provide some grass and sand bales that they put out for the hippos, because there was really nothing to eat at that stage. The zebras and the wildebeest, and they migrate into the park, go grazing, but the hippos is not really comfortable walking on the dry ground. So yeah, they do their best to keep up and help the animals, especially the hippos, as it was very hot and very dry. A young elephant on its way to the water, the fresh water that the people of Camelthorn is pumping into the Boteti River. They've got some boreholes inside the property from which they pumping water to the pool in front of them, as they are located just next to the game park. The elephants are the clever ones, knowing exactly where the fresh water is coming from, coming to drink where the pipe is coming out underneath the. The big crocs has dug some holes in the riverbank where they keep cool from the sun. As the previous dry spell was, I'm not really sure, but around about 13 years, where there was also just some small pools, and they stay there in the burrows or holes or whatever you call it, where they dug in to keep cool from the extreme heat, and surviving on the banks of the Boteti River. They're really amazing creatures that know how to survive. We really enjoyed staying over at Camelthorn and definitely will stay longer next time. It's a nice place to sit and relax and just enjoy nature, especially in the dry season. There's constant stream of animals coming to drink at the waterhole, zebras, wildebeest, elephants all the time. So yeah, just relaxing and have a nice relaxed time next to the Boteti River. Spotted this fish eagle in the tree and was just lucky enough to saw it drop down and catch a fish in the pond just in front of us at the viewpoint. Yeah. The people at Camelthorn putting some lucerne and grass bales out for the hippos. They really do a good job at feeding and keeping water in the pool in front of them. So, this was really nice as it was very hot. Quick cool off in the pool, and the children especially enjoy this. That was really a treat. Pizza bases that we have done at the house before time, some meal prep. We do like to do it, and then when you came maybe late at night, it's easy to just quickly finish off and have a meal. our campsite at Camelthorn. Underneath the big Camelthorn tree.
Same old places and faces of people and nowhere to go.
On each campsite is his own ablution with a toilet and a shower and a place for washing up dishes. Here's the bar area. Bush picture coming up.
Away from these streets and the cold buzzing neon lights. Been keeping our heads above water, struggling and striving. We ain't gonna turn back this time, we'll just keep driving. You got one hand on money, one hand on the steering wheel, worlds passing by outside.
Bush pizza, ham, bacon, mince, pineapple, cheese. Yes. Just quickly pop into the hide at night to see what animals are coming to have a drink before bedtime. Early morning at the viewpoint, we get up early to leave because it is extremely warm and we want to be off quickly because the first stretch is very sandy and we want to be off before it's hot. Sun is just rising. Big